Hey, what's up, guys? It's Pete with Pete's Green Machine here, and we're gonna do a little unboxing here. Never done an unboxing video, and if it's quick and easy, maybe we'll do a unboxing and installation video. Hopefully it is. This is the John Deere 25-gallon sprayer, rear sprayer, electric sprayer. Since this is already all wired up, it should just be click and be good to go. And this is for the click and go bracket as well. So I got my handy dandy box cutter here, which is actually a sprinkler head adjustment. That's all I can find right now. So let's crack this open and see what it looks like. Couple brackets. Not sure if these are the click and go brackets. Maybe. Looks kind of like it might be. Got here is like for the sprayer, some hoses, little plug-in nozzle there. Alright, what do we got here? This is heavy, whatever it is. Rip it open. Getting new stuff is like Christmas, you know? And the thing is, we get to open all the gifts instead of the kids. Well, it's very well packed, I will tell you that much. And where did I get it from? Once again, I got it from Walmart. The green dealer. That's who Walmart gets their stuff from. It's free shipping, and you can't beat it. You know? Walmart's taking over the world. First I got my cab from there, and then I got this from there now. And I know they got other stuff, because I was looking. Struggling here. This might be what goes on each side of the unit here. What I really need is a blade, a real blade. See if I can cut it with this. It'll work. Okay, I was interrupted. Somebody came out, but I got that open, and got these two little brackets, which we don't know what they are yet. These big long shafts with the threads on each ends. Two are the same size and one is a little thinner. And then this bracket, these two brackets here. So let's pull the unit out. Nozzle. You know what I don't see? Hopefully it's in here. It is in there. Instructions. Yes. And then our on-off switch for our 25-gallon sprayer. So now, which is cool because since I have it already connected, I don't have to wire it to the battery. I just plug and play. So that's a good thing. So I'm gonna look through this and see how fast we can get this thing hooked up and connected. Be right back. Hey guys, Pete with Pete's Green Machine. I'm back with my 25-gallon sprayer. Having some problems here, I gotta admit. Wasn't or isn't as easy as I thought. Follow the directions, put the whole bracket together. Bracket doesn't fit. What's going on? It just doesn't fit. So I loosened the whole thing up, and it seems like you've got to put it together and keep it like real floppy and loose. Fit it on the machine and then tighten it up. So let me just show you where I'm at right now. So here's the bracket, and as you can see, it's all loose right now. These I had tightened up all the way and everything was fine and dandy, and it just wouldn't fit. And it needs to come around this side to fit in here. It's sort of like this little latch thing that they have you make with this spring right here. And yeah, it just was not fitting. So right now I'm going to make sure everything is sort of where it needs to be, and then tighten everything up, and then I'll be right back. See you in a few minutes, hopefully. Okay guys, think I got it. Let's go take a look what I got. Okay, so brackets now fit in there, which they didn't before. And over here, now it fits over that for a quick release. Now, tank will sit back there, and be back in a couple minutes, hopefully. Okay guys, we are done. For the most part, anyway. Just gotta connect the electrical cable, which is easy, and I'll show you right now. So, after I got that bracket, which was turned into a freaking fiasco, getting that all straight and even, then it was just making sure, tighten it down, and 4 bolts to put the 25-gallon tub on, and this is what she looks like. Well, looks good, straight and level. This bracket is sitting in the pin, which we want. We got this bracket, sits in the pin. Whoops. What we want. Looks like it's pretty straight and level. And I guess the next video will be us giving it a test run, which I'm not going to do today because it's Sunday. I'm tired and I've had a busy week. But let's at least make sure it works. So here we got our connections. All right. Okay. Let me go grab this cable right here. Give you a pretty long cable, probably because they assume that you're going to run it all the way from the back to the front. So let me set you up right here on a little tripod, and so we got a little switch right there, and let's plug this end over here. And as we all know, This will run down here, sit in the clips, and it's gonna go into the, get that right there, maybe right there. Hopefully that's good. We won't know until we make the video. Here's my other cable that I had installed for the broadcast spreader. I'm gonna plug that in, and let's see if she works. Ooh, hear that? I hear it. All right. So she is working. So next time you see me with this bad boy will be when I got some I'm gonna put probably some weed killer in there, get rid of some of the dandelions and all the crabgrass and stuff, and we'll make that into another video. So thanks for hanging in there for this unboxing and long installation video. Really, directions need to be better, John Deere. So thanks guys, and please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.